To add an image on a Blender 3D object, you can go to Shift A and then Image and Mesh Plane. Select your image. And let's position the image to the suitable location. Right here looks good. And now let's go to edit mode and subdivide. Number of cuts 50. Now let's go to modifier and add modifier, deform and shrink wrap. And then for targets, let's select the object. And now the image is baked onto the object, but there are issues here. There are some visualization issues. For this, adjust the offset value. Let's increase. And now it looks good. Depending on your object, you may need to adjust this value. So for now, this one looks okay. Another thing, you can also resize this. Like this. Alright. So that's it, we are done, but if you are happy with this, you can apply the modifier. One more thing, another tip is, if you don't want the background, the red color in this case, and if you want to keep just the text, for instance, we can do that also. Select it and then go to shading, and let's add color ramp node, and then we need another node, invert color. Let's bring the color to the factor and let's connect these two and the output to alpha. And now to make this transparent, the background, it will just be a matter of playing with these values. And this one looks good. So let's go to layout mode, and yeah, and we are done. So this is how you can put image on 3D objects in Blender. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time with another tutorial.